Hello everyone, myself Prashil Lokhande, working as a setup professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Gokhale Education Society's RS Support College of Engineering Management and Research, Nashik. In this video lecture series, we are going to cover the subject Computer Network and Security as a part of curriculum of final year Bachelor of Engineering Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering program under the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So let us have the overview of the subject. The core objectives of the subject are to understand state of the art in network protocols, architectures and applications, to provide students with a theoretical and practical base in computer networks issues, to outline the basic network configurations, to understand the transmission methods underlying LAN and Internet. Course outcomes of the subject: understand fundamental underlying principles of a computer networking, describe and analyze the hardware software components of a network and their interrelations, analyze the requirements for a given organization structure and select the most appropriate networking architecture and technologies, have a basic knowledge of installing and configuring networking applications, specify and identify deficiencies in existing protocols, and then go on to select new and better protocols, have a basic knowledge of the use of cryptography and network security. Let us see the syllabus. Syllabus is divided into 6 units. Unit number 1, Introduction to Local Area Networks. In this unit, we are going to cover the basic protocol switch TCP/IP that is required for the fully functioning of the internet. Then we will cover the media access control, then control access reservations and channelization of network. Then we will cover types of local area network that are wired LAN and wireless LAN. Unit 2, network layer part 1. In this unit we are going to cover network layer services, packet switching, network layer performance. Then we will cover internet protocol version 4. Unit 3, network layer part 2. Here we are going to cover the multicasting and routing of packets, routing algorithm. Then we will cover internet protocol version 6 and then transition from IPv4 to IPv6. Unit 4, transport layer. Here we are going to cover transport layer protocols, then user datagram protocol, transmission control protocol and SCTP. Unit 5, application layer. Here we are going to cover the application layer protocol and services such as HTTP, FTP, electronic mail, telnet, SSH. Then we will cover DNS network management and SNMP. Unit 6, network security. In this unit we will cover the aspects of security at network layer, transport layer, application layer. We will also have introduction to cryptography and we will also cover tools such as firewalls. So this is the syllabus as specified by the university. The list of books as shown on the screen. From this textbook we are going to cover our syllabus from the book Computer Networking, a top-down approach from Pearson Education, and a reference book Computer Networks from Pearson Education. Link of these books are given in the description below. You can download it. Also, the question papers from the previous years are also provided at the link given below. So this is what the syllabus we are going to cover in our course, and we should be achieving the course outcomes and course objectives as said earlier. So before starting the actual content of the syllabus, we should be aware of the what is exactly computer network and how internet is formed from this computer network. We will see this into next lecture.